Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you two ways to cancel your Xbox subscription. Ladies and gentlemen, there are two ways to do this. The first thing is cancelling directly on your Xbox console. So go ahead and press the Xbox button on your controller to bring up the menu, the main guide menu. And then you need to go and look for Profile and System. Then look for Settings, Accounts, and then Subscriptions to view all of your active services. Now you're going to go ahead and choose the Xbox subscription that you wish to cancel from this list of active services, and then select Cancel Subscription. Then you will have a few prompts that you need to follow, and you may also be offered a refund if you're eligible. Now, if you want to cancel through your web browser, you can do that too. So go ahead and visit the Microsoft subscriptions page and sign in with your Xbox credentials. This method will work on any device with an internet access. So you want to do it on your desktop, your laptop, your tablet, or even your mobile device, you can do that. Once you're logged in, you can see a comprehensive list of all your Microsoft services and your subscriptions in one convenient dashboard. Locate your Xbox subscription and click on Manage, and then Cancel Subscription and complete the verification steps. Alternatively, you can also turn off recurring billing to stop future charges while still maintaining access until your current paid period expires naturally.